Install machine handles for easy pushing and pulling. Assemble 5 white steel blades. First, tighten the 2 screws corresponding to the 5 blades. Note, do not over-tighten the screws. Assemble the blades, making sure that the cutting edges face upward. Continue assembling them in this manner, and check through the inlet hole to see if the cutting edges are too long. Turn on the switch and check whether the blade is rotating. Demonstration of the peeling effect of 1 mm diameter hair-like threads. Demonstration of the stripping effect on multi-strand wires with a diameter of 7 mm.